Hi, we are John and Samantha. Welcome to our channel, Vintage RV Adventures. We bought our motorhome in July 2021, and with the help of a Rob the Builder, we have spent that time rebuilding the motorhome from what was a salvage wreck. This year, we're going to complete our motorhome project, and we will soon be on our way visiting some lovely parts of the UK, when we'll also take Shelby, our German Shepherd dog, along for the ride. So please do follow our journey. We look forward to having you along.
Morning everyone, Monday morning again, and we're back on the RV. Got some curtains to put up, and I explained last week that we put a bit of paint on these seats just to tidy it up a little bit, and what we're going to do is paint that grey, but now I decided that I think we should paint the bed as well, just so it keeps it nice and clean when the mattress goes down. So let's get on with it.
What are we doing here then, Sam?
Right, I've just made the curtain for, this one is for the headboard, where the headboard is.
Yep.
And you've just gone and got me some pole.
Yeah, so we were going to put doweling, weren't we? Some wooden dowel, but it was really expensive. And then the other idea was copper tube, and that's really expensive. That's gone through the roof, price of metal, as we know from the doorstep. So we had a look at this copper tube, didn't we? So this is like what you'd put...
Plastic tube.
Plastic tube. Just like copper tube. Yeah, plastic tube, what you'd use for central heating. It's a little bit flexible, but it should be okay. It's really just have just an edge, isn't it, on the bottom of the...
ready to roll.
Off the bottom of the curtain, isn't it, when they go up? So we'll give it a go. You're going to stitch that in, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Just filling the tube up with some cement powder, just to add the weight. So to make the tube in heavier, it's a bit light, we've decided to put a little bit of cement in the tube, which we had in the garage. So we poured the cement in, cement powder, and now we're going to just block the ends up with well, we're just going to put them nuts in, and we're going to put some hot glue in there, and that will give it the tubes a little bit of weight.
There you go, guys. We installed the bedroom window curtain. We have rolled this up, taking it up a bit. There's quite a long one. So what we're going to do is order some more of this cord in, and for the longer windows we're going to put 3 on, just to make sure it's all nice and level and neat and tidy. But you can get the idea from that, guys. It's looking rather good. Right, there you go, guys. Finished off the top there. All it does is just tidy the surface up, and you can actually wipe it down as well, so it looks better than what the wood was. And you've obviously got this side done as well. Again, tidies the whole thing up. We've managed to get the backing for the backrest, and what we're going to do today, hopefully, is secure these in. Stay still. Secure these in. I'm just about to cut this one in here so it can fit in. You can use a standing knife, you could use scissors, it's only sponge at the end of the day. And what's left over from this one will fit on the other side. One of them was top, one of them was bottom, so that goes in there. Just turn that round. I can't believe the weather's actually pinned down. So when they're all stuck in situ, you can see how that's going to work. And then the piece that's left over It's just slightly too wide for there, but I'll cut that in and we'll start getting on with this. Okay guys, we're stage one complete. We've got the foam cut in, we've got the material secured at the back, and then the idea now is to let this glue just go off a little bit, and then we're going to wrap that over, but we'll come back to you in a bit and let you know. Alright, there you go guys, we've got the back cushions in now. We're just waiting for the cushions on the base, but you can see we finished off, and there's a nice little feature. We put some pins down the side so you can actually see them. That was Sammy's idea, which is a brilliant idea. Just got to touch up the base a little bit because we've got a bit of dirt on there as well, so that's going to be touched up today. And you come across to John's side and that's all finished as well. And hopefully guys you agree that it looks rather good, to say the least. There you go guys, the step is now done. It's all been sealed with a clear silicone all around the outside. As I said, was painting that grey to match in with the rest of the RV. So but there's another little job done, getting closer and closer. Right, there you go guys, tidied the bed up. Sammy was absolutely right, it needed something on the surface. So as you can see, it's nice and neat and tidy. What we're going to do is put the mattress on a little bit later on and just show you the full effect of the whole thing. And there's a small little job I've got to do today, which is on the outside, which is the door, which I'll show you in just a little while. Well, there you go guys, the mattress is in place now, and that's the bed pretty much finished. We've got all the curtains up, all the rails are up, both sides. And I think it's when John and Sam wake up and they've got a nice view out this window, you can actually appreciate the reason why they put the bed up here. But there you go, one king size bed complete. Okay guys, part of today's job is that we made these yesterday, the rails for the door. Because you can actually see through that, we need some sort of curtain going across there. So what I'm going to do is install that one there today and install that one at the top. Sammy's made some curtains, wait for the glue to go off, screw it in but glue it as well. And then hopefully we can put the curtain across to create total privacy inside the RV. So let's crack on with it. Okay guys, there you go, the top rail and the bottom rail on for the door, as you can see there. And we put some glue on there as well because I didn't want the thing to come off. So when that's dried, we'll probably get around to doing it tomorrow. When it's dried and gone in, we can hang the curtains up and then give them a little bit of privacy on this class as well. So yeah, that was the last one to put in as well, which is happy days. And let's see what else I can find to do now. So
Morning guys, Saturday morning. We're going to give you a little tour of the motorhome, show you what we've been doing, or mostly Rob actually to be fair, since July 2021. So without further ado,
let's have a look.
Let's have a look. Here we go. So, nice aluminium step to start. Door mat. Bit of a mat there. And there is the main bed. Obviously there's another bed up there which isn't made up today, and that curtain's going to have a new pole across the top later on today, but we had to get this video done this morning because we've got to take all this off again, so just sort of show
you guys an idea what it looks like when we've done it.
Yeah. Let's turn around. The kitchen, main kitchen. Lovely, all works, tap works, everything, gas works.
Pressure's good.
Yeah, good pressure.
Everything's good so far.
Little cupboard down there if you remember for the linen. Round here, the other little kitchen area. Toaster and a kettle and a couple of moo mugs.
Looking at kettle, we need to make a cup of tea.
Fridge, a new fridge. Cupboards.
That's just full of
oh, it's full of rubbish. Cool. Then we've got the toilet. There we go. The skylight. Little cupboard over there. Took that wire away for the aerial antenna wire. There, if you remember, we had that shower.
There's a Hoover and a rubbish
okay.
box in there, John, but you can open it.
Let's have a look. There's some rubbish in there.
Side, yeah.
Okay, there we go. Cool. And then we've ordered some foam for these seats.
Hopefully it turns up today.
Hopefully it'll turn up today, yeah. They've promised either today or Monday, haven't they?
Yeah.
It's one of the two. So Samantha's ready to go, making the material for those bases. So we're ready to go there. I think what we're going to do, guys, not today, but maybe next week, we'll get a little montage of photographs as to what it looked like inside
And what it was now.
and what it is now,
Yeah.
to show you the difference. And the people who have stuck with us since July will know already, but the new people perhaps might not know what we actually bought, and it was a bit of a wreck. So
A bit of a transformation, John,
yeah,
to say the least.
okay. I think I'll pop my head through there, just show the video forwards. And there you go, guys. So that's the motorhome, looking from the cab backwards. Pretty good. Love it. So that's your new bed, Layla. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Good stuff. Is it big enough for you?
Yes.
Okay. Plenty of windows to see out of.
Yeah.
What would you like to see out of those windows?
Mablethorpe.
Mablethorpe. Wow. Okay. You've been to Mablethorpe a lot, haven't you? Do you like Mablethorpe then? Okay. Well, we'll see what we can do for you, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
There you go, guys. I hope you enjoy this video and you can see how far we've actually come. The back is pretty much done now. We've got a bit of work to do on the engine, and hopefully the start of the next videos will be John and I putting the engine, doing stuff to the engine, the wheels and everything else that's got to be done. And I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that before long we'll be out on merry ways enjoying ourselves. So please like and subscribe, guys, because there's a lot of hard work that's gone into this, and I'm sure you guys appreciate how good it looks when you've looked at this video. So thanks very much and take care, guys.